Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to continue the same chapter as in last class. I was teaching you the subject supplementary reader. In supplementary reader I was teaching you chapter 5, and in chapter 5 the name of the chapter was Who I Am, and I was teaching the part 1. The chapter Who I Am is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2, and I told you that I will divide part 1 into two subparts. Means I will teach part 1 into two parts. I have taught you part 1 in one class. Now I am going to continue this same part 1, means sub part 2 of this part 1. The name of part 1 is Different Voices. Part 1, the name of part 1 is Different Voices, and I am going to teach you the second sub part of this part 1. So, in part 1, there are different children. As I told you in the previous classroom, they tell us about their lives and about the aims, what they want to be in the future, what they want to be in their life. And in those children, I have taught you about Radha, Nasir and Rohi. Now I am going to teach you, I am going to tell you about Sarji. I am going to tell you about Sarji. The next one is Sarji. So see, what are the things that Sarji likes and what are the things that he don't like. So there are different kinds of things. They express their experiences. The children express their experiences. So see what Sarji tells us. What are the experiences of Sarji in his life? See, Sarji, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. Sarji is always angry with the people who don't believe him. If he is going to tell the truth and people don't believe that, and people say that no, you are not telling the lie, you are not telling the truth, you are lying, at that time he gets angry. So he says that what makes me very angry, the thing which makes Sarji very angry is when people don't believe me. Is the thing if the people don't believe me. If people don't believe me, at that time he gets angry. And when I am telling the truth, when he is going to telling the truth, he is going to telling the truth, he is going to tell the truth, all the people don't believe me. At that time, Sarji gets much angry. See the next. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it. Now he is going to tell us the example. The first example is that he didn't do his homework, and the reason was that his friend Ravi had borrowed the book from him and he didn't return it. He forgot to return the book. Ravi forgot to return the book to Sarji, and because of that Sarji was not able to do the homework, and his teacher didn't believe him. At that time he got angry. So if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework, if he is going to tell his teacher that he was not able to do the homework because Ravi borrowed my book, because yesterday Ravi borrowed his book and my book I forgot to return it, and Ravi forgot to return the book to Sarji, and the teacher is not going to believe me. He is always telling the truth, but teacher is not going to believe Sarji. At that time he gets angry because he is telling the truth and teacher is not going to believe. On that he gets angry. Now he is going to give us the second example. The second one is I told my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started to fight. Sometimes he fights with his brother, his little brother, his younger brother. And it was not Sarji who started the fight, but it was his brother, it was his younger brother started the fight. When his parents ask about that fight, Sarjeet tells his parents that it is his younger brother who started the fight, but his parents are not going to believe him. His parents tells him that you are not telling the truth. You are telling lie. At that time, Sarjeet gets much angry. So these kinds of things make Sarjeet angry. He is going to tell the truth, but his teacher, his parents are not going to believe him. At that time, he gets angry. I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I have got bad marks. Now it's going to tell us one more example. The next example is, here is a word as if. The meaning of as if is as though. So, if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I have got bad marks. Sometimes he gets bad marks, although he studied hard, and he tells his teacher that I studied hard, but I get bad marks. I don't know the reason behind it. And his teacher tells him that no, you didn't study hard. You didn't study hard, and because of that, you got bad marks. And on it, he gets angry. So, I didn't really study for the test, even if I have got bad marks. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. And they all as if, the meaning of as if is as though. जैसे कि, you can say जैसे कि. They all look at me. They all, my parents, my teacher, and other people, they all look at me as if, as though I am telling lie. Although I am not telling lie, but they look towards me in a way as if I am telling lie, as though I am telling lie. The look on their faces really angers me. The look on their faces, when I see the looks, which show that they are not believing me, that show that I am not telling the truth, I am lying. That kind of faces, that kind of look disturbs him. That kind of look angers him. So, the look on their faces really angers me. That kind of faces, that kind of look, that I am not, that they don't believe that I am telling the truth, it angers him. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. And sometimes he started to look down towards his shoes and he started to count. He looked down towards his shoes and he started to count 1 to 10. Means he is not going to see directly in the faces and in the eyes of his parents or teacher to show that he is angry. And in that way he hides his anger. If he is in anger, he gets angry, he started to look towards his shoes and he looked towards his shoes and he started to count to 10, from 1 to 10. To hide his anger, that no one can understand that he is in anger. Like that, he hides his anger. But if no one is going to believe him on that, he gets angry. The next one is Dorma. So let us see what are the things that Dorma wanted to do or she likes, or what are the experiences of Dorma. Dorma says that when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. She has much ambitions to become the Prime Minister of India. She wanted to be the Prime Minister of India in future. So she said that whenever I will grow up, I will be younger. I will be on the age where I can go for elections. I can go for elections, and at that time I will try to be the Prime Minister of India. I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. People laugh at me. Whenever I am going to tell them that I want to be the Prime Minister of India in future, the people who listen to me, they laugh at me. They laugh that how foolish this girl is. How foolish is this girl? But I have found determination to become the Prime Minister of India in my life, to become the Prime Minister in future. So this is my goal. This is the goal of my life, and I will work hard to get that seat. So she said that people always laugh. The people who are around me, they always laugh when they listen me these kinds of words. They listen me saying these kinds of words. When I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. But I am sure, although people laugh at me when I say that I will be the Prime Minister of India in future, but I am sure, I am confirmed that I will be the Prime Minister of India in future one day. Everyone in class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me. Trust. The meaning of trust is believe. Believe. Trust me when something needs to be done in school. Everybody in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. Means she is a good problem solver. She can solve any kind of problem. That's why everyone in her class always asks the solution of their problems. If anybody in her class has any problem, at that time he or she consults to Dharma to solve his or her problem. Because Dharma is able to solve the problems of friends. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me. And her teacher is also always trusts him, always believing that he will do the best. When something needs to be done in school, when there is something to be done, when there is something needs to be done in the school. If there are going to be any kind of activity in the school, at that time, Dharma's teacher always trusts Dharma. First of all, she asks Dharma to arrange those things, arrange those activities. I want to make things better for everyone, and it is Dharma's thinking, and the thinking is that I want to make things better for everyone. She wants to make the things better for everything. She is always thinking about people around her. She always wanted to solve the problems of the people who are around her, who can ask the solution of the problems. If anybody is going to ask the solution of his or her problem to Dharma, he always wanted to help that person. I want to have good hospitals and roads and schools. She wanted to have good hospitals, good roads and good schools. It means if she will be the Prime Minister of India in future, she will arrange these kinds of things. Now as a student, she is not able to do these things, and Dharma wrote her because she is only a student. But I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. But she wants to have the good hospitals, good roads and good schools for everyone. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. Cures. The meaning of cure is You can say to restore to health. To is to restore to health. क्यों? इलाज भी कर सकते हैं। In Hindi, you can say इलाज। So, I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India. She wanted to have many good scientists in India. Means if she will be the Prime Minister of India in future, she will spend a lot of money for making more and more scientists in our country who will invent cures for diseases. Illness, sickness, सिंपली कर सकते हैं बीमारी। So, who will invent cures for diseases? If there would be a lot of scientists who are related to medical field, they can make different cures, different medicines for the diseases, for different kinds of diseases. अगर बहुत से साइंटिस्ट होंगे वो मेडिसिन की फील्ड से होंगे तो ऐसी दवाएं बना सकते हैं, ऐसे इलाज बना सकते हैं, ऐसे इलाज कर सकते हैं जिससे बहुत सी बीमारियों का से जो है छुटकारा मिल जाए, जिससे बहुत सी बीमारियों का इलाज किया जा सके। And send a spaceship to Mars. And she also wanted to send a spaceship to Mars. If she will be the Prime Minister of India in future, she will arrange the things to send a spaceship to the Mars. These are the thinking, these are the things that Dorma wanted to be in her life, that Dorma wanted to do in her life. Now, let us see the next and last one. The last one is Peter. Let us see what Peter tells us. So, Peter tells us that my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. He is going to tell us about the favorite day of his own life. So, he said that my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. Peter's favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. It means there must be some special things related to Peter. There must be some special thing that Peter do on that special day. So let us see why the second Sunday of every month is special for Peter. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. The day is special for Peter. The second Sunday of every month is special for Peter because on that day his whole family goes to cinema and Peter likes seeing the cinema a lot. That's why he likes the second Sunday of every month very much. Cinema hall to see the film. My father gets the tickets in advance. In advance. You can say before. And my father gets the tickets in advance and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers and I take the bus there. And his father take the tickets in advance that it shouldn't be full. That's why his father always take the tickets in advance so that they will not face any kind of problem in getting the ticket on that special day. So, in advance, and all of us, now he is going to describe his whole family. All of us, in all of us, how many persons are there? Now see, my grandmother. In all of us, there is my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I. Means these peoples, and I take the bus there. And my grandmother on that special day, his father take the tickets in advance and his grandmother, his parents, his two sisters and he went there to the cinema hall by bus. interval, my father buys us peanuts and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. And at the time of interval, his father also buys peanuts for them. And Peter likes to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the movies. Eating means eating the peanuts and watching the movies. These are the things that Peter like most. And watching the film. Afterwards, we always start to eat ice cream. After seeing the movie, after returning from the, when they return from the theater, what they do? We always start to eat ice cream. They always stop in the way to eat the ice cream. And Peter also like to eat ice cream. Peter also like eating ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood and will all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. And everyone is in a good mood. Everyone of the family, my grandmother, my parents, my son, everyone feel very good on that special day. And I also think that not only I, but my whole family is also think that we are lucky, that we are such a happy family. Because we have such a happy family, that's why we all feel very thankful to the God. We all feel thankful to the God that He has given us a good family. I am lucky to belong to that special family. So Peter like to go to the cinema on every second Sunday on the second Sunday of every month. These are the things that he likes to do in his life. Thank you. Now my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.